G'day people, we've just got a dual transmitter wireless microphone system here. This is just a temporary one. I do have the the Go Wireless 2 microphones, but I'm having an issue with them at the moment, so I've picked up this here. It was on special at TED Cameras for $99 Australian. So we'll give this a whirl. So I'll report back on how it goes in this video that I'm going to make currently. But it is mostly just to use on the GoPro 12 I have, and possibly I might use it on the phone, but I doubt that very much. It'll just be used for the GoPro. But we will do some tests on some phones. Can't test it on an iPhone because I'll need a cable for that, but I can try it on the Samsung and see how we go. So we'll open it up and we'll see what's inside, but this is just what's available there. Tried to use a pen to get through the safety still, but I ended up using a knife, so there's some smudge there. So without further ado, we'll open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we've got the packaging off, and it's got even more packaging. It had two safety seals on either side you had to take, so we'll take this fancy plastic off and see what's inside. Alright, we had another safety seal there, but we'll take out one of these units first and we'll have a bit of a look. Hopefully the camera focuses better. There we go. Yeah, we're not professional here. I should film this on the GoPro, but yeah, okay, that's wrong side round. Yeah, so we'll pop this on pause and grab the rest of the units out. Okay, I'm quite shocked at the amount of stuff that's actually come in this box. Amazing, you know, you got obviously the windshields. We'll take them out in a moment, but what I'm shocked about is it actually comes with two of these lapel microphones. Wow. You know, I do have one of these. I actually got one, I think, for 40 or 50,000 Indonesian rupee, and it was so hard to find one of these while I was over there. But yeah, so what we'll do is we'll give this a test and we'll report back a bit later, I guess. But you know, like there are the windsocks and the ones as well, spare ones. So, and it does have instructions, obviously, which we might have a flick through, but very, very good, and I hope it is good on my test. So we'll come back a bit later, but yeah, by the time I release videos of this, you know, you wouldn't know for quite some time, because I've got about 50 odd videos plus still to release with average sound quality. But on my next trip, which is very soon, we'll be able to test this gizmo out. So on my next trip, but we'll probably do some stuff here in Adelaide before we head off anyway. Uru for now. We'll come back a bit later with a test, or I might link this to something. But thanks for watching. I'm pretty impressed with what's come in the box. So yeah, so we'll come back and try this out, and I'll report back, or I'll just make a completely new vlog. Uru. Okay, just doing a sound check on the unit plugged into the Samsung. So Mirafak audio, Mirafak audio. Yeah, dual transmitter wireless microphone system. Yeah, it seems pretty simple. Haven't updated anything. It's the Wii 10 Pro dual. Excellent. So we'll listen to see how this goes. Alright, just doing a sound check on these new wireless microphones. Yeah, this is on the GoPro 12. Yeah, here's Largs Bay. Just seeing if there's any wind noise and so forth. And we will report back in this video, y'all. So here comes some cars. And there are some Norfolk pines. Very good. Alright, I'll wrap this up and do another test.